What's going on, YouTube? Let's play a little game. I've got these Dodge keys. I know nothing about this car. It is a fresh trade. All I know is that it is, see here, 2019 Dodge Charger. That's the last of the VIN, and the color, someone put that it's black. It is not black. It is the gray. If I'm not mistaken, Dodge calls it the granite. Anyways, this has big wheels. Let's take a look at it. See what kind of mileage we think it has. The first person that guesses the mileage within 5,000 miles, we're gonna have to be in touch. I'll send you a little gift to your Zelle, Venmo, PayPal, whatever have you. We can even send you a gift from Big Valley Ford here, but check this out. Looks like it's got massive 22s, custom plates, so someone obviously likes this car. That to me means either one of the two. They are not driving it that much, or they're driving it a lot because they like their car. Has custom plates, I'm sorry. Now, judging by this one, I will think that it has more miles rather than less because of some scuffs, smart marks. Big wheels usually means they drove it more, just because it is an entry-level model. That's why I think they're driving it as a commuter. So that being said, I'm gearing towards, it's a 2019, so it probably has, I don't know, 70, 80,000 miles, and that's kind of a lot. Now look, they even have a car wash. That also tells me they drive a lot, so they're afraid of bugs. Check this out, guys. That's a dead giveaway right there. This was a highway car. Used it a lot on the freeway, so I would like to think it probably has more than 80,000 miles. What do you guys think? Let's see here. Let's open up the inside. Some cars, when I open the driver door, it tells me the miles. I don't want to know the miles on this car. That's part of the game. Let's check the inside. So, not bad. All-weather mats, so I know they came in and out. Seats look a little worn. No rips, so they definitely didn't use it to go in and out. As far as you know, just doing small commutes or small daily drives, you know, delivering or whatnot. No child seats marks back here, so that also tells me that they were definitely using it as a commuter. Check that out. You got an Oakland hat. We live in Stockton, meaning if these guys traded in from Stockton, they're driving all the way to Oakland more than likely, or they're big fans. So what do you guys think, guys? Let's open up the trunk just so you guys look at these wheels, man. Man, if there was a way I can take off the wheels, I'm just kidding. Let's see here. We're probably sending this to auction, or we might actually, you know what, the trunk's not gonna open, so whatever. All right, guys, so that's the rules of the game. First person, you will of course only get one pick. First person within about 5,000 miles of what the mileage actually is on this car, we're gonna have to be in touch. But yeah, guys, this is the second video I've done. The first person got it on a truck. It was deceiving. It was an older truck, and it ended up having not much miles. They ended up winning. I ended up being in contact with them, and yeah. So let me know how much miles you guys think. This again is a 2019 Dodge Charger. I'm going to go ahead and say, based off this, it probably has 105,000 miles. 2019, 4 year. Yeah, I'll stick with the 105. So that's my guess. You guys let me know what your guys' guess is, and we'll be in touch. We'll see you again next time.